Hi friends, welcome to my channel Magic Sir. The main purpose of making this video is that students can easily prepare a trigonometric table of specific angles. The method of preparing this table has been explained 3 times so that the students does not need any help. First, detailed explanations of table using formulas. Second, table in just 5 minutes based on this explanation. And third, table in less than 2 minutes based on animations only. Note that the square root of numbers, reciprocal of numbers and fractions are explained so that students do not make mistakes. Now watch the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Hi friends, in my last 4 videos we have discussed the values of trigonometric ratios of some specific angles such as 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees angles. Today we will learn the simple method to prepare a trigonometric table of these values. At first we will learn the method in detail, but in the end we will learn the magic method to prepare the trigonometric table in 5 minutes only. After that, you can enjoy the PowerPoint animations on trigonometric table. Friends, the best way to learn trigonometry with Magic Sir is to watch the video till the end, then mute the audio and enjoy the video with PowerPoint animations again. You have learned the concept of square root of numbers in the lower standard. Try to remember it. What is the square root of 0? The square root of 0 is 0. What is the square root of 1? The square root of 1 is 1. What is the square root of 2? Square root of 2 is root 2. What is the square root of 3? Square root of 3 is root 3. And what is the square root of 4? The square root of 4 is 2. You are familiar with the reciprocal of numbers such as the reciprocal of number n is 1 upon n. The reciprocal of the number 1 upon n is n. The reciprocal of the number e upon b is b upon a. The reciprocal of the number 2 is 1 upon 2. The reciprocal of the number 1 upon root 2 is root 2. The reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 upon root 3 and the reciprocal of number root 3 is 1 upon root 3. Suppose the length of the line segment is 1 unit. We write 0 here and at the second end we write 1. If we cut this line segment into two equal parts, the length of each part is half unit. So we write 1 upon 2 for the first part and 1 upon 2 for the second part. And we write 1 upon 2 here. And joining second part it is 1. But if we cut it into 4 equal parts, the length of each part is a quarter. First part is 1 upon 4, second part is 1 upon 4, third part is 1 upon 4 and the last is 1 upon 4. So we can write here 1 upon 4. Joining second part it is 1 upon 2. Joining third part it is 3 by 4 and last it is 1. Do you know these fractions 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2 and 3 by 4? Remember that 0 upon 1 equal to 0 and 1 upon 1 equal to 1. So we have 5 fractions: 0, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2, 3 by 4 and 1. Look at the fractions between 0 and 1. 0, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2, 3 by 4 and 1. We will find the square root of these 5 fractions one by one. Keep in mind that it is not proof to obtain the values of trigonometric ratios, but it is a short trick to prepare a trigonometric table. So we first take square root of 0 for the 0-degree angle. We know that square root of 0 is equal to 0. So we write 0 here. Square root of 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2, because square root of 1 is 1, and we know that square root of 4 is 2. So we write square root of 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 for 30-degree angle. Now square root of 1 upon 2 is 1 upon root 2, because square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 2 is root 2. So the square root of 1 upon 2 is 1 upon root 2. Now the square root of 3 by 4 is root 3 upon 2, because the square root of 3 is root 3 and the square root of 4 is 2. So we write the square root of 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2 and the square root of 1 is 1. So we write square root of 1 is equal to 1. These are the 5 values of sin theta for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We write sin 0 degree is equal to 0. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 2. Sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. And sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. Now write down these 5 values of sin theta in the reverse order for cos theta. We know that the reverse order of 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1 is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0 respectively. So we write cos 0 degree is equal to 1 in the reverse order. cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 2. Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. And cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Look at the order of these 5 values of cos theta. Now compare the order of these 5 values of cos theta and the order of values of sin theta. Keep in mind that it is a short trick to prepare a trigonometric table. We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. For 0 degree angle, sin 0 degree is equal to 0 and cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So we put sin theta equal to 0 and cos theta is equal to 1. We know that 0 upon 1 is equal to 0. So we write tan 0 degree is equal to 0. For 30 degrees angle, sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2 and cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. By simplifying, we get tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 3. So we write tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 3. For 45 degrees, we have sin theta is equal to 1 upon root 2 and cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. And we know that 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2 is equal to 1. So we can write tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. For 60 degrees angle, sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2. By simplifying, we get tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3 upon 1 is equal to root 3. So we write tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. Now for 90 degrees angle, sin theta is equal to 1 and cos theta is equal to 0. And we know that 1 upon 0 is equal to infinity because division by 0 is undefined. So we use infinity. These are the 5 values of tan theta. We know that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Sometimes we write C as C instead of cosec theta. So cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. For 0 degree angle, sin theta is equal to 0. So we have cosec theta equal to 1 upon 0. And again we know that division by 0 is undefined. So we can write infinity here. So cosec 0 degree is equal to infinity. Again, for 30 degrees angle, sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2. So we write cosec theta is equal to 1 upon 1 upon 2 is equal to 2. So we have cosec 30 degrees is equal to 2. Note that 1 upon 2 is the reciprocal of 2 and 2 is the reciprocal of 1 upon 2. For 45 degrees, sin theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. So cosec theta is equal to 1 upon root 2 is equal to root 2. So we write cosec 45 degrees is equal to root 2. Note that 1 upon root 2 is the reciprocal of root 2. For 60 degrees angle, sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. And we know that 1 upon root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 upon root 3. So we have cosec 60 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3. Again, note that root 3 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3 is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2. For 90 degrees angle, we have sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. So cosec 90 degrees is equal to 1 upon 1. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to 1. So we take cosec 90 degrees is equal to 1. Here, the reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. These are the 5 values of cosec theta. We know that sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So we write sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. For theta is equal to 0 degree, we have cos theta equal to 1. So sec theta equal to 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, sec 0 degree is equal to 1. Now for 30 degrees angle, we have cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, sec theta is equal to 1 upon root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 upon root 3. So, we have sec 30 degrees is equal to 2 upon root 3. For 45 degrees angle, cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. So, sec theta equal to 1 upon root 2 is equal to root 2. So, we write sec 45 degrees equal to root 2. For 60 degree, we have cos theta equal to 1 upon 2. So, sec theta is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 2. So, sec theta is equal to 2. Sec 60 degree equal to 2. For 90 degree angle, we have cos theta equal to 0. Therefore, sec theta equal to 1 upon 0. We write 1 upon 0 is equal to infinity because division by 0 is undefined. Hence, we have sec 90 degrees is equal to infinity. Now compare the order of these values of cosec theta and the order of values of sec theta. For cot theta, we know that cot theta and tan theta are the reciprocal of each other. So we write cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. For theta equal to 0 degree, we have sin cos theta equal to 1, sin theta equal to 0. That is cot theta is equal to 1 upon 0 is equal to infinity, because division by 0 is undefined. Therefore, cot theta is equal to infinity. Cot 0 degree is equal to infinity. For 30-degree angle, we have cos theta equal to root 3 by 2 and sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, cot theta is equal to root 3 upon 1 is equal to root 3. So, cot 30 degrees is equal to root 3. For 45 degrees, we have cos theta equal to 1 upon root 2 and sin theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2 is equal to 1. So, cot 45 degrees is equal to 1. For 60-degree angle, we have cos theta equal to 1 upon 2 and sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So, cot theta equal to 1 upon 2 all upon root 3 by 2. By simplifying, we get cot theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. Therefore, cot 60 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 3. For 90 degrees angle, we have cos theta equal to 0 and sin theta is equal to 1. So, cot theta equal to 0 upon 1 and we know that 0 upon 1 is equal to 0. So, cot 90 degrees is equal to 0. These are the 5 values of cot theta. Compare the order of these values of tan theta and the order of values of cot theta. Is it in reverse order? Yes, it is. Now it is time to prepare the trigonometric table in just 5 minutes. Write down these 5 fractions as shown in the image. 0 for 0 degree, 1 upon 4 for 30 degrees, 1 upon 2 for 45 degrees, 3 by 4 for 60 degrees and 1 for 90 degrees. Now find out the square root of each fractions. Square root of 0 is equal to 0. So sin 0 degree is equal to 0. For 30 degrees, square root of 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. Therefore, sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. For 45 degrees, square root of 1 upon 2 is 1 upon root 2, because square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 is root 2. Therefore, sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 2. For 60 degrees, square root of 3 by 4 is equal to root 3 upon 2. Square root of 3 is root 3 and square root of 4 is 2. So sine 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. For 90 degrees, square root of 1 is 1 itself. So sine 90 degrees is equal to 1. Now write down these 5 values of sine theta in the reverse order for cos theta. See the animation and the position of 1 and 0. So we write cos 0 degree is equal to 1 in the reverse order. Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 in the reverse order. Cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 2. Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. And cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. These are the 5 values of cos theta. Now we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So we have tan 0 degrees is equal to 0 upon 1 and 0 upon 1 is equal to 0. So tan 0 degree equal to 0. For 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2 all upon root 3 by 2. By simplifying, we have tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 3. For 45 degrees, tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 2 all upon 1 upon root 2. And we know that 1 upon root 2 all upon 1 upon root 2 is equal to 1. So tan 45 degrees equal to 1. For 60 degrees, tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 upon 1 upon 2. By simplifying, we get tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3 upon 1 is equal to root 3. For 90 degrees, tan 90 degrees is equal to 1 upon 0. And we know that division by 0 is undefined. So we write tan 90 degrees is equal to infinity. These are the 5 values of tan theta. We know that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. For 0 degree, we have the reciprocal of 0 is the reciprocal of number n is 1 upon n, put n equal to 0. So the reciprocal of 0 upon 0 is 1 upon 0. And we know that division by 0 is undefined. So we write cosec 0 degree is equal to infinity. For 30 degrees, we have sin theta equal to 1 upon 2 and reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2. So we write cosec 30 degrees is equal to 2. For 45 degrees, we have sin 45 degrees equal to 1 upon root 2. The reciprocal of the number 1 upon root 2 is root 2. So cosec 45 degrees equal to root 2. For 60 degrees, sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. The reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 upon root 3. So cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 upon root 3. For 90 degrees, we have sin 90 degrees equal to 1 and the reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. So cosec theta is equal to 1. Again, write down these 5 values of cosec theta in the reverse order for sec theta. So we have sec 0 degree equal to 1 in the reverse order, sec 30 degree equal to 2 by root 3, sec 45 degrees is equal to root 2, sec 60 degrees is equal to 2 in the reverse order, and last sec 90 degrees is equal to infinity. Now write down the 5 values of tan theta in the reverse order for cot theta. In the reverse order, we have cot 0 degrees is equal to infinity. See the reverse order. Cot 30 degrees is equal to root 3 in the reverse order of tan theta. Cot 45 degrees equal to 1. Cot 60 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 3. And cot 90 degrees is equal to 0. Do you like this method? Now enjoy the magic method to prepare the trigonometric table with animation in just 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. Evaluate sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus cos 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. We use the trigonometric table of the values of specific angle. We have sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. So we put sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. And cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. So we take cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 minus cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. So we put cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. And last sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. See the arrows. So we take sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. We know that root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So it is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 upon 4 because root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So it is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 4. It is equal to 2 by 4. 3 minus 1 equal to 2 upon 4. By simplifying, we get 2 into 2 equal to 4. So it is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus cos 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2.